right, and we just have one last step. We just have one last step to cover. So we started with glucose. We broke it into pyruvate. We broke that pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. We broke those acetyl-CoA molecules into a bunch of NADH and FADH2. And so now we are going to finalize this process and make a bunch of ATP. So we have this cellular map. We started here with the glycolysis, and we went into the mitochondria, intermitochondrial matrix. We did our breakdown of pyruvate, our citric acid cycle. This is our electron transport chain now. And so this membrane area I made a lot bigger. And so really quickly, I just wanted to cover that this oxygen is going to take the molecules that are, or the electrons that are released from this, the protons that are released from this, and then it's going to be reduced into H2O. And so when we gain electrons, we also gain protons, the H, and so then when we do like 4H plus O2, we get a bunch of H2O. And so we're going to see these NADH molecules releasing their electrons and releasing their protons, becoming reduced, oxidized into this NAD+, because oxidation is lost and they're losing their electrons. And so those electrons are going to travel right to this oxygen. It's going to accept those electrons and protons and become H2O. And then the excess protons are going to travel to the intermembrane space. You can see I have that labeled here. This is the outer membrane, and then this is the inner membrane. And so then those protons are going to travel to this ATP synthase right here. This is oxidative phosphorylation now. This ATP synthase is going to create a proton gradient. So this H plus is going to be accumulated right here, and then it's going to travel, and a little bit is right here, a lot is right here, and having that gradient is going to cause this to spin. And when it's spinning, it's going to be able to transfer this ADP plus a phosphate group into ATP. And so that's how we're going to get our, our 30 to 34 ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. And I don't think that I did this, I don't think I did this equation completely. I don't think I wrote it out all the way, but all you need to know, this is the CO2. We finished that with our citric acid cycle. This is our water. We finished it with our electron transport chain. And this is the amount of energy that we gain from the whole process. And then if you want, this is a picture of my notes. These are complete. So if you want to look through that, feel free. I should have here. Okay, I don't actually think I wrote like a total list of the ins and outs of the electron transport chain, but you should be able to figure it out from the worksheet that you did in class.